How to activate Yorkshire Bank credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Yorkshire Bank and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Yorkshire Bank, open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of internet banking. Click on login. Click on continue. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now you can go ahead and type in your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the section related to credit cards or an option for card services. Select the option to activate a credit card. Then enter your credit card number and any other required verification details such as your name, the card's expiration date, and the security code found on the card. Review the information and confirm the activation. You may be asked to set a PIN if you haven't already. Once completed, your card will be activated and ready to use. You might receive a confirmation message via email or SMS depending on the bank's practice. After activation, it's a good idea to sign up for any additional services that may be offered such as mobile banking or alerts. So this way you can easily activate your Yorkshire Bank credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.